Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Onome. If you're just joining, please click on the subscribe button. Today we're going to be talking about tips on how to make 2024 a great year. Sit back, enjoy and relax. Yes, I know we are 3 months into the year, but that doesn't mean that we cannot make things better than the way last year was. I remember earlier this year I asked you guys what and how you would like to make the year be. Now, one of the tips on use for how to make 2023 a great year is one, by reflecting on the past. Now, reflection has to do with looking back at how things have been from the previous year 2023 till January till February, all right? Now, take note of how the year has been, how you've been doing a lot of things, all right? Now, also take note of your strengths, your weaknesses in order for you to make this year a great year. Take note of your relationship with people, how you organize things. Those things will help you to be conscious and help you to improve better. Two, set clear goals. It's important that you set goals, achievable goals for the year 2024. Now, we have long term goals, we have short term goals. Define those goals, all right? The short term goals you can achieve within a short period of time. Make such plans for such goals. Now, that will help you have an idea of where you are going to and exactly what you intend to achieve. Now, even for the long term goals, all right, you might not achieve them now at the beginning of the year. You can achieve them sometime later in the year, but it is important. Now, when you are setting these goals, make sure your goals are smart, they are specific, they are measurable, they are achievable, relevant, and they are time bound. Very, very important. Three, creating a vision board. Now, what is a vision board? A vision board can be like a checklist, a drawing board, whereby you place your dreams, your goals inside, your ideas, you place them inside. Now, this vision board will enable you to have a focus of where you are going to, what you want to achieve. It gives you a mindset that, oh, you're going somewhere. Now, the vision board is will help to keep you in check in case of things you're meant to do, things you are slacking behind, and things that you need to improve on. Now, change. Like they say, change is very, very constant. You have to learn to admit change. You have to accept change. You can't say you want 2023 to 2024, sorry, to improve, yet you've not accepted change. You've not seen the need for change. You have to accept the need for change. You have to embrace change, all right? You embracing change will help you know that yes, you have an issue and you want to solve it. Now, like they say, change is constant. If you want to move forward, you must change. You must learn to be dynamic. You must accept that you need to grow for you to grow. Number four, number five is decluttering your life. Now, what do I mean by decluttering your life? It means for you to break down things. Some of us have a very, very messy life, like things are disorganized, everything about us is disorganized, our lifestyle, things that we want to do. That doesn't make us to have a clear vision of what we want to do. Now, check your space, your environment, your home, your setting. Clear out everything that you need to organize. Is it your document? Is it your file? Even as far as your digital lifestyle, you need to clear your digital part, all right? Is it your emails, things that you need to trash, your recycle bin, files that you need to organize online? It's important that you have a clear space, both physically and digitally. When you have free space, you would create time for more, all right? Now, having a clear space will help you to decongest things that you don't need. Sometimes, you know that as human beings, we carry baggages and say, oh, these are the things that we want. And unknown to us, we don't know that we carry baggages. So it's important that you free out those baggages so as to enable you have a clear space for you to see and organize your life accordingly. Number six, you have to cultivate a positive habit. All right. Positivity takes people far. Now, the habits that we form can either break or shape us. It's important that if we want the year to be great, we have to learn to form positive habits. Now, these positive habits will help to improve ourselves and help us to achieve great things in the year. Habits such as regular exercise, taking note of valuable friendship, organization, cleanliness, being organized. Now, these habits will help shape our lives. It will help give us a sense of meaning and direction. Now, the thing about exercise that exercise helps to form and shape us. Guys, so those are the tips on how to make 2024 a great year. If you're just joining, guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Next week, I'll bring you the part two of this topic. Bye, guys.